Good evening, everybody. I'm Jim McNally. I'm here this evening to talk about the new Ferris commercial lawnmowers, which you can buy at Stakers in Portsmouth, Ohio. And you want to see Bob when you go down there. And here it is, the 2017 IS 2100Z with a 28 horsepower Briggs & Strat engine with the oil guard system on it. Brand new this year for 2017, and also a 61-inch deck with the ICD cutting system. But what we're going to do this evening is to demonstrate, because in August and September it is really hot by the time you get off work. So we're going to demonstrate how you can mow in the evening or at night with the lights, which is an add-on and can be added on to any Ferris mower. You have two in the front, and also you have an LED attachment light on the roll bar on the top. And you can also add a second one. We have one on this machine, but we will add a second one. But we will show you that here shortly. Alright everybody, thank you for watching our demonstration tonight, how to mow under the lights with our IS 2100Z from Stakers, the Ferris lawnmower with the light accessories. Stop in and talk to Bob.